Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change PayPal business account to personal account. So in order for us to do this one, I'm just going to show you what I have in here. So it is asking here, how do I change the type of PayPal account I have? And then if you are going to downgrade your account, we recommend you open a new personal account. Basically, they are referring downgrading from business to personal. But if you want to use the same email, you can just go ahead and create your own email. But first, you'll have to close your current account. So I'm going to show you how to close an account here. Go ahead and click this one right here. And then you're going to click the account settings. Now from here, what we are going to do is click the account preferences, and then you have here close account. So you can just go ahead and click this one right here. And then there is a process that you are going to follow from this point forward, such as answering questions like this. But take note that this is going to delete all of your data here. So again, once you have closed this particular account of yours, you can just go ahead and create a new account. So to do that, you have this one right here, the sign up option. Go ahead and click this one. So make sure that you are using personal account and then click next. And then from this point forward, just go ahead and write the same email as here and then go ahead and click next and basically follow the prompt from this point forward. So yeah, that is the only way in order for us to downgrade our account. I hope this video helps you out.